Hi there, it's Kate. How have you been doing? You must be spending more time at home. Do you get along with your family? If not that well, why don't you try this activity? Let's learn more about my people. These are what we need: colored paper, a ruler, pens, paper, a punch, scissors, a cutter, and some cheerful messages. Step 1. Cut out the A4 sized paper, like this. Step 2. Put it through the cuts in the colored paper. Step 3. Pick a message for yourselves now. Now we are all set. First, write your name at the top. Next, pass the portfolio counterclockwise every 30 seconds. Then draw his or her face, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, and hair carefully. Please don't be upset even if it is not like you. They are doing their best. Get them back to the owners. Now it's time for you to complete yourselves. What do you want to see? What do you want to smell? What do you want to hear and taste? Then punch the top of the paper. Get a piece of string and put it through them and make a ribbon. You may hang them on the door of your own. Now, just read the message for the people you love. Have a meaningful time. Bye for now.